Hallo, wenn ich so
In this demonstration I'm going to be flying 3 birds of prey for you. So with that we'd like to introduce you to our first bird. Now this young lad here is Kraken. He's just coming up for 2 years old now, and he's a male striated or Striated Caracara, as also locally named. And these birds can be found throughout several islands of the Tierra del Fuego, although numbers are far more abundant throughout that of the Falkland Islands. So bearing that into account, sorry if you're not entirely aware, the Falkland Islands can be a very harsh place to live, especially during the winter months, can be very cold and extremely windy. Therefore, he's designed as such. A relatively thick set to his body there allows him to keep nice and warm through those harsh winter months. Relatively broad yet short-rounded wingspan gives him incredible power whilst on the wing to fly through strong currents of air. And then that beautiful